Hi, I'm Gary Taylor with some big news for small businesses. Today I'm here in Henderson, Nevada at Family Tree Medical Center to find out how the Intel Core VPro processor family is helping Dr. Tony Gumina, along with Kortek Solutions, an Intel channel partner, focus on his thriving family practice, not his PCs. So come on, let's take a look. Hi, we're here inside the Family Tree Medical Center, and I'm talking with Dr. Tony Gumina and Lyle Epstein from Kortek Solutions. And Dr. Gumina, can you tell us a little bit about your practice here?
Sure, I'm a family practice physician. Been practicing for about 10 years. We started off wireless. We've been using computers the entire time. There's 2 physicians in the office, and we depend on our computer system.
Okay. Walk me through what would be an ideal day for you here.
Well, an ideal day would mean that the patient flow is very smooth and we have no computer problems. That would be a perfect day for us here.
Wow, good. And so Lyle, that sounds like where you come in here.
Yep.
Can you tell us a little bit about Kortek Solutions?
Sure. Kortek Solutions started in 1997. When we started our company, we signed up with the Intel Partner Program, and we've been a member ever since, so 12 years now.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about the solution that you put in place here?
Sure. So we installed a server, plus we installed 15 workstations here at this office. All of the workstations we put Intel VPro technology into so that we could provide remote assistance and support and be able to monitor those systems remotely.
Okay. And can you tell us about some of the functionalities that you've taken advantage of with VPro technology here?
We've been doing remote management, as well as we can remotely access the BIOS and reboot machines remotely, as well as reload images if need be, as well as provide support to Dr. Gumina's office and staff.
And what kind of results have you seen so far?
Excellent results. We've actually achieved 100% uptime at the office, as well as keeping the computers running and healthy. The other thing we've also done is implemented with VPro turning the machines off remotely at night to save energy.
Okay. And Dr. Gumina, how's the network been performing for you so far?
So far the network's been performing excellently. The nicest thing is that with the HIPAA compliance issues, we really need very few people coming into the office that aren't medical personnel. And with the new technology that he's implemented, we've been able to have him only come down on a very few occasions and been able to fix our system from outside the office.
So on a typical day here, what would happen if, the network, I know we don't want to think about this, but it should go down and you weren't able to use your computers?
Well, if our computer systems go down, we're pretty much in big trouble. We can't see patients, we can't fill prescriptions, we can't review laboratory studies. Our patients' health is in jeopardy as well as my business in jeopardy. Everything is on our computers, and without them, we don't work.
Big problems. So Lyle, what can you do to make sure that, obviously from a proactive management standpoint, that doesn't happen?
Proactively, we're able to keep the systems up and running all the time. So instead of him calling with a reactive and having a problem, we're monitoring and maintaining them and keeping those systems healthy, and that's important.
Looking forward with the Intel Core VPro processor technology family, there's some of the feature sets of that you're going to look to incorporate here?
Certainly. These new features are going to allow me to do remote KVM features, so I can remote into his machine, see the full screen, use my keyboard and mouse from a remote location at my office or wherever I may be. I can even get into the machine and fix it even if there's a blue screen occurring. Another great feature is the encryption feature that AES-NI to protect the data on the workstations.
So what's been the biggest benefit of being able to have a solution provider, an Intel channel partner like Lyle and Kortek here for you?
Our biggest benefit to having Kortek Solutions with the VPro technology here is that I can work on keeping my patients healthy, and I can allow him to work on keeping our computers healthy without having to have myself go into any of the computer portion.
Okay, great. Well, high praise indeed from Dr. Tony Gumina, working with Lyle at Kortek Solutions, and another powerful story of how the Intel Core VPro processor family is making the lives of small and medium-sized businesses easier, and how that allows them to focus on their business, not on their PCs.